your Discord isn't starting and I'm a random internet clown that's going to show you how to fix it. Most of this information does come from another video. Watch this guy's video if you don't like how fast I'm going. Step one, first, what you're probably having an issue with, if you're me and very unlucky, is whenever you click on Discord, it will not even show up in Task Manager because it will not boot at all. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit Windows R. It's going to bring up your run prompt. You're going to type in percentage app data percentage. You're going to click OK. That is going to open up your app data. It's going to click on Discord. You're going to delete this cache, and this cache. Once you delete all those caches, you're going to click back to roaming. You're going to drag Discord over into your operating system. And once it's no longer under app data, your Discord should boot just fine. You should be able to use it. Assuming that did not happen and you are getting an infinite loading screen, or you are getting an infinite loading screen to begin with, make sure that you delete the app data, but you do not have to drag it out of app data. You just have to delete the caches. Right click on Discord, make sure that that fixes it. If deleting the caches did not, you're going to right click Discord, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimization, run as administrator. You're going to click apply, okay, and then you're going to click on Discord, and hopefully that should start it. Assuming, again, that it did not start because you were as lucky as I am, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go down to your search bar, type in command prompt. You're going to bring up command prompt, and you're going to type in SFC /scan now. That is going to do a scan of your system and make sure that it has no corrupt files. If your system has no corrupt files, or if it does, it's going to fix it, and then make sure that you click on Discord again and try and run it. Assuming it once again does not work, you're going to go on to the final step, which is you are going to pull up Windows Defender Firewall. You're going to allow an app or feature through the firewall. You're going to click change settings, then you're going to allow another app. You are going to go into browse, and wherever Discord is on your computer, for me it's in my operating system, I'm going to click on Discord and I'm going to select update. I already added this, so I don't have to add it again. But once you add it, you're going to make sure that Discord itself has public and private access through the firewall, and then you're going to scroll down to the use, and you're going to make sure that your update also has, the one that you just added also has those permissions. Once that is all good, make sure that you save all that and click OK, and then try and boot Discord. At this point, your Discord should boot up and you should have no issues.